Real-world asset cryptocurrency coins have topped the charts in 2024, producing some of the best performing altcoins this cycle. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one cryptocurrency coin that I am buying and dollar cost averaging into today that I have confidence in for the 2025-2026 bull run. And a big shout out to the team for sponsoring this video. So if you're ready to learn what this altcoin is, what it's all about, and why I'm buying it, all I need you to do is smash the like button for the algorithm and follow for more because it's free. So why not? Thanks again for your support. And please understand, I'm not a financial advisor. In full disclosure, I do hold this cryptocurrency asset. Remember, cryptocurrency trading is very risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And nothing in this video is financial advice, rather just education teaching you about this project. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into the ATR token, which is the cryptocurrency attached to the Artrade project. Now, what is Artrade? Why do I feel confident actually dollar cost averaging in today? That's what this video is all about. Remember, I'm not here to tell you what to do with your resources, rather educating you on what I'm doing with mine. And every single portfolio that I've built here publicly on YouTube is massively in the profits. 2023 here is up over $5,800 and has recently hit new all-time highs since we did this just about a year ago. And even in 2024, now over $500 in the profits, simply buying $100 worth of these cryptocurrency coins. Now, this video is going to work a little bit differently, and we're going to leave it out of our portfolio for the moment. But again, I want to share with you even more about Artrade. Now, Artrade is introducing the world to art real world asset tokenization. Now, they're developing a decentralized, transparent, and community oriented method to tokenize and trade art real world assets, bringing a fresh and optimistic perspective to the art market, made possible through blockchain technology. But what exactly is Artrade? Well, it's pretty simple. It's actually the first marketplace dedicated to the tokenization of real world assets related to art. It's also built on top of Solana, which has millions of users today. Now, they're also diving into a super innovative domain here. Now, the Artrade platform is already operational and already has over 6,000 users according to data. So here's how it works. On Artrade, items and artworks are tokenized. That is, they are divided into tokens, allowing multiple people to become co-owners. Let me share with you an example. They tokenized a Picasso drawing valued at $200,000. From there, people are able to bid, sell, and trade on this tokenized drawing. But that's not all that they've done as well. They're also able to sell collectibles and luxury items. Now, one critical point is that items sell out very quickly on Artrade. For instance, some watches were sold absolutely immediately after being launched on the platform. This shows that people are really using Artrade as well as providing a real use case in the real world. Now, let's talk about the ATR token and how important this is to the entire ecosystem. Now, the ATR token is a community token deeply integrated into the Artrade marketplace, rewarding holders through staking, revenue sharing, discounts on art pieces, governance rights, and much more. Today, at the time of this recording, the current price is 4.27 cents and a market cap of $56 million, with a circulating supply of 1.32 billion ATR tokens. And so far, 481.3 million Artrade tokens have been burned. And you can also do even more deep diving into the tokenomics here, and you can see the smart contract addresses as well as the total supply, as well as where you can actually buy, sell, and trade this cryptocurrency at this time. You can also see the token unlocks and releasing, as well as the token allocations. Here you can see the holders here, the DAO, staking burn, staking rewards, Artrade reserve, as well as the DAO. Majority is in the holders' hands, which is what you like to see in any project. And here is even more of a percentage breakdown as well as the number of tokens. And to me right now, it has a pretty balanced distribution, which is what you like to see if you're going to be an investor. Now, recently, they have also optimized tokenomics for their platform, and they initiated a progressive burn of more than 500 million ATR tokens, and this is only the beginning. Now, these tokens were actually in the DAO wallet and not in circulation, were destroyed to reduce the overall supply. Now, as mentioned, this cryptocurrency is available on Radium, Mexi, Gate.io, BitGet, Bitmart, Poloniex, as well as Ascendex. Also, by having tokens, you're able to become a DAO member by staking your ATR tokens to unlock everything Artrade has to offer. And currently, to become a supporter, you'll need to lock in 25,000 tokens, sponsor will be 100,000, and ambassadors 250,000 tokens for a minimum of 90 days. Now, by staking the ATR tokens, you get some pretty sweet benefits. One of those is that you receive a share of Artrade sales. You're also going to be able to enjoy discounts on valuable prices, discover your special PFP, and much more. And here's a breakdown of how all that works. 15% APY for supporters and 25% APY for ambassadors, and up to 30% off valuable art pieces and collectibles. You'll be able to earn a share of sales from the Artrade platform, participate in key decisions as well as shaping the future of Artrade and its DAO. By staking your ATR tokens, you're not just investing, you're becoming a co-owner of Artrade's capital, governance, and assets. Artrade, as mentioned, was the first to fractionalize personalize a Picasso piece on the Solana blockchain. Now, with Artrade, you're also able to mint your first tokenized artwork now, and there's only a 5% commission on fees for minting art pieces. You're able to secure transactions with real protocols and escrow, and it's also free for artists. They're going to cover Solana blockchain fees for your first mint. You'll also be able to receive tokenized certification of authenticity for each piece immutable on the blockchain. Now, community is everything when it comes to cryptocurrency, and Artrade has really built a loyal community and following at this time, and a pretty large one to say the least. If you go over to their X account, this is where you're able to see their account now has 88.8 thousand followers. And you also can do even more research and join their community by following them over on X, as well as joining their Telegram. And Artrade continues to move the ball forward with their roadmap. Here you can see Q4 of 2024, everything that they've been executing on, but what's really important is Q1 2025. This is coming soon. NFC chip development, shipping integration, UX UI improvement, as well as strategic partnerships. So let's talk about the future of Artrade, and today Artrade is still in its very early stages. And so far, only one major artwork has been tokenized, but more are expected to follow in the future. And they're in the works and potentially talks of tokenizing works by Monet, Basquiat, and perhaps other renowned artists. Now, let's take a look at the charts of Artrade and why we're going to be slowly scaling into this cryptocurrency. You can see two very nice candles here, making a very nice move from about 1 to 2 pennies. Now, the all-time high for Artrade is at 10 cents. So I believe that we could range here between maybe 8 to 2 cents for a little while, consolidating before eventually breaking out and going higher. Now, again, the fact that this is already a $61 million market cap and the fully diluted valuation is 61.3 shows me that a majority of the tokens are in circulation or are locked up. This is very important for new investors to understand. Also, the fact that they're on Solana and this is easy to trade in and out using Phantom or a lot of these other wallets is going to be fantastic for a user experience. Now, since this crypto is live on the market, getting some exposure today allows you to have potential upside, as well as not going all in. You're able to dollar cost average in case the price comes lower, giving you even better pricing. So again, to me right now, the best play looking at this crypto is to slowly just accumulate, as I believe this project is going to continue to grow and the bull market is going to continue to go higher. Now, again, this is just my own strategy and what I'm doing and accumulating right now. Personally, you're going to have to make your own decisions. And remember, this is not financial advice. But again, the fact that the top cryptocurrency narratives, real world assets in Q1 being up over 285%. This is a narrative that we're seeing a lot take off, and I believe it's going to be a major narrative in this bull run. So there you have it. Artrade is introducing the world to art real world asset tokenization, and it's a very unique project and something that I have not been seen done ever before. And for all of these reasons, that is why this crypto has certainly been on my radar, and it's one that we've talked about multiple times here on the channel. So congratulations if you've been in. We've been talking about this crypto right around the 1 to 2 penny mark, and again, a very nice move has occurred here, and I believe, again, it's just looking at the charts, a potential cup and handle could be in play if we're able to break this midline resistance. So again, these are what the technicals are showing right now. We have a little bit more work to do here right at this level, but again, anything can happen. This is why dollar cost averaging before potentially moving towards the upside is the overall play, because the trend right now is our friend with altcoins and altcoin season. As right now, according to the chart, it is altcoin season, which means altcoins now are outperforming Bitcoin. And this is, again, the season only happens a few times every couple of years. You can see here that all the way back in January is when we had altcoin season reach this high. So again, we're in a full-blown altcoin season, and I believe, though, you can see altcoin season can last for months to weeks to a very long time staying up here. So again, right now, this is a crypto coin that has caught my attention and is one I'm sharing with you here today. And let me know what other cryptocurrency coins you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next lessons.